Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is the 28th, I do believe, of May 2015. And this is that South America angle I was talking about and asked in some comments recently. And we also have the Mare Oriental showing a nice pattern here today. Nice one. Anyways, this one here, I just want to show you real quick this little piece right here. Let's go ahead and save that out of there. Their snipping tool. And like I said last year, this will show better. It's just right now this is what we get. It's just a little something to show. What last year I showed this like every day for a while. It was pretty much every day, and it was really clear. I probably already have something named angle, and if I do, see, oh, I have angelic. Okay, angle. Okay, so go to Google Earth, and we go to the Earth. Oh, I just want to point out. Yesterday, I was checking out the moon. It was so clear during the daytime, or during the evening, I should say. And this crater right here looks nothing like this. Nothing like this on in any picture I've ever. I mean, looking at the moon, I looked at it for a while, and this crater was clear, and it's a perfect circle. It looks nothing like this. It looks like this maybe, but it doesn't look anything like this from a distance. It's a perfect circle. That crater is absolutely perfectly round, and you can see the ridges, the edges of it. I mean, this is such a fake picture of the moon. It's unbelievable. And then also, you get about this angle, about this. Let me see. I can see it was about like this. This was dark, or not lit. It wasn't dark, but and you can see big rings down here, big crater rings down at the bottom, real clear, and you don't see that shit in here at all. I mean, it's not, you don't see any of that. So I'm just saying, when you look at the real moon, you look at this moon, it's much different. There's a lot of differences. Anyways, let's go to the Earth. And plus, you see all those lines. That's just total bullshit. It should tell you something right there. It tells me everything. Okay, so that angle, I'm just going to put it right here. I think it goes right here. Pictures today. I don't have my glasses, so bear with me for a second here. Angels. Angle. And then look at the pattern of the red. Watch when I get this in here. Just I'll get in here just close enough. Okay, now that's good enough right there. Now look, take a look. See this red spot right here? Look at the pattern on the Earth right there, and look at that. See that spot right there, right here? That is related. Those two areas, that weather that I just showed you from North America, in the northern hemisphere, not even in the southern hemisphere, how it crosses the equator in the same shape, you tell me. Because I would like to know. And this will move. This pattern will move. It won't stay right in this spot. I'm not saying it's absolutely right here, but this is from this area of the Earth. You can see the curve up here. This curve. See that? And I didn't know this was going to be here, this spot, and it's there. Absolutely there. And look at this corner. See how this corner is missing? Look at the corner right here. Look. Oh, how's that? So the weather is projected into the sky, or the shape of the Earth, the surface of the Earth is projected into the sky as clouds. The surface of the Earth, what it looks like, you can see it in the clouds. That's there, this is there, and it'll show different. I mean, it'll show better at other times. It'll show, this might even be the same angle. I don't think it is, but another thing that I want to show in this area, this pattern up here, I need to resave it. But that's from that area, that weather pattern. We can look at it up here with Google weather and see what it looks like. Huh. Near the same, but come on. See, they don't want to give you anything close up anymore. They just, there it is. And you can't see shit in that picture. You would never even know it went there. But doing it this way, this right here is absolutely. Oh, did I had that overlaid. I think I still have it overlaid, don't I? No, I deleted it. Wait. Okay, yeah, I did. Okay, so anyways, that goes there. You see that? That's the angle there. Same angle. Okay, so there's that. And let's just overlay. I had it overlaid here already yesterday, but my computer crashed, so we'll have to redo it. Actually, I don't even want to use that image. Kind of shitty. I'd rather use this. First, I want to do this though. This pattern here. This whole area, I want to see something. Snip that out. All the way around. I mean, look at the difference between that hurricane down there. What it looks like a hurricane or tropical storm, whatever. Okay, so this is going to be. I think this is going to be. I'll just type it. Let's name it LLL. Okay, so go to Google Earth, and I want to bring up my Aitken Basin. Oh, it's not that high up there. It's right there. Okay, so I'm going to overlay it over this pattern without the weather on. See the lines in this pattern right here? See what I'm here. Let's take a look at that picture again. See the shape? Okay, let's take a look at that again. Okay, it's probably gonna go in this V here. See that V? Right there. And this V shape here. They go together. It's this one's a hard one to see. This one is really a difficult one to see, but it's going to go right there, and that's where it matches this area. I mean, you just got to get the right picture to fit this one good. It's going to show these things, and hopefully it will. But I have other ones that I've shown already that. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. Bearings here. See, I think the Great Lakes goes right around that crater there. Right there somewhere. Oh yeah, because that gives you this here. So that means South America. This will go over South America pretty similarly. You know, pretty much close. See how it's round up at the top here? Okay, let me just leave it there. It's not perfect, but it's kind of weird shaped, maybe even kind of big, but. Let's go into here. I see some kind of hook shape right here that they're not shown clearly, right there possibly, or it could be this. I might be a little bit off. It's one of those. It could be. I think it's in the right place already because I see this round crater here too. Anyways, you see the angle. It does go here. I mean, it definitely goes here. Here's your Colorado. This would create your Colorado Plateau, right here. This crater would be your Colorado Plateau that sticks up in the middle of the, because it's got that hole in the moon, so it's going to leave a high spot right where that hits. It's just right where it goes, pretty much. Okay, let's do the other one while we're here. Air Oriental, and that picture. Right up here first. Go over here. Grab this. Okay. Snipping tool. Save it real quick. See that? See that right there? Look. You see that shape right there? That curve, the whip coming out right there? Look. Nice. Very nice. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I see that right there. And this whole edge here, look. hmm Look at this. Look. See this right here? Look. Those are the little things you have to look out for. You got to see those little things, and they're in the weather. They're definitely in the weather. And you see this line that goes across. It fits right in there. It might even go up. It might even go up here. No, that's good right there, because that circle does line up down there. It's not showing the Sea of Japan today. And it could be small. It might need to be a little bit smaller too. Maybe a little too big. Probably is too big. It fits in there a little better than that actually. Oh yeah, this set here's that 7 shape that goes in the goes right here. Anyways, some nice weather on the Earth, over the Earth today. All of its, all these patterns are lunar surface patterns. Guaranteed, that's a lunar surface pattern. And it's also that South America pattern. Just keep your eye out for that angle. That angle right there. You seen what it showed? It showed that red, and it showed that cut out in the corner. That's. I mean, and I didn't even do this. I did it right in front of you guys for the first time with that pattern there. I mean, I've done it before, but I knew it would fit. Knew it would fit. And then it just happened to have the red spot there and the cutout on the corner there. That's proof to me. Look at that corner, cut right off in the right exact spot. You got that red area there. I mean, that's interesting. So I see that stuff. That's obviously there. I mean, doesn't that look like India goes right along with this somewhere too as well? India goes right along here somewhere. Shape of India. If you put this together, India goes somewhere around here. They always talk about how I don't know why, why they call Indians Indians. I mean, it's got to be the same for the reason that they were probably had to do something to do with being from India. That's the way I see it. People say different, but I don't think so. I think they relate the two together. I think that all the continents were together. I think everybody comes from the same from the same place. I mean, in the beginning anyway. Not the Garden of Eden, but a jungle. Perhaps the Amazon. Oh, and the Great Lakes. Didn't I just show one of the Great Lakes the other day, a few days ago, where I showed this right in this spot? I think I did. Isn't that interesting? I sure as hell did. I know I did. Yep, I remember now. I think I uploaded that video. Showed the Great Lakes right in this area. Or I showed Great Lakes, and yeah, I did show that. I've seen it right in this area. It might be a little too big in this picture, but yeah, it's a little bigger than it should be, but it goes there. Can't deny that. Right there, that's definitely cut. That corner's definitely going to make that pattern in the cloud, and that's definitely going to make that pattern in that cloud right there too. That bean shape or whatever you want to call it. Alright, so that's my interesting stuff for the day. I know it's not that exciting, but it's pretty neat. Later.